Okay, so let's put this kitten together. I already have the back 2 layers done. Now we're adding the tail and the ears. So on misskcuttables.com, I think there are 3 other kittens that you can choose from besides this one. I think a couple of them are laying down and one of them has a ball of yarn. So you can check those out. You can look at how some of them are different colors so you can get an idea of what they look like without being white. You can also find this on the Silhouette store. I always forget to mention that, but if you have a subscription, you can find them there. I'm only allowed to do a certain amount during the week, so not all of them are there, but most of them are, so go check that out. So we're adding the eyes and the mouth and nose. So a lot of these pieces are little, but you can see how they still work. I'm always amazed at how small you can cut things out. I mean, it's kind of amazing, right? You have these little tiny pieces and they always seem to cut out fine and work and look so cute. You do have to have a good blade and a good mat though. Here we go, we're gonna put the mouth on. Do you see how the little pink nose inside of the black nose is so small, but it still looks perfect and cute? And the whiskers, how they're skinny, but they still work. So I always try to do my samples big enough where you can see them, but not too big where, I mean, you wouldn't use it in a realistic setting. So I think this one is about just a little over 6 inches tall. So now we're going to add the eyes and work on the bow. Now this bow has so many layers, so you don't have to use it. You only have to use a certain amount. It's totally up to you, but it ends up looking really cute when you put it on the kitten. So I know it's a little bit more work and it has a lot of layers, but it does turn out cute. See, look how cute this looks. Adorable. So here we are putting her on the circle, and then we are done putting together our kitten.